Close your eyes, back straight, palms together. सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गणेश स्तव। अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम। गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगम्यगम्यं मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम। जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं। गणेश स्तव। अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम। गुणा सर्वगम्यगम्यम् मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशम् मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशम् परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे। गुरु स्तोत्रम पेज नंबर 87। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्ना विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्य शाश्वत शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्ति समारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्म सम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोर्पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथः मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिरनादिश्च गुरुर्परमदैवतम् गुरुर्परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव। 157 ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। In Bhagavad Gita chapter 2, Deepti Shri will chant Okay, mute, unmute. Very good. Is there any correction in that shloka, Manvit?
She did not.
Manvit, I asked only Manvit. Manvit only should answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Uvacha Madhusudana. She told it's Madhusudana. Uvacha Madhusudana.
Very good. But it is first time you are chanting, no? So from next time you will be chanting correctly, okay? But you have done a wonderful job. Okay. Now, No, I will tell you the shloka also.
Ma'am?
Yeah, tell me, Kovid.
Ma'am, she did not say Sanjay Uvacha.
Yeah, okay, noted. Point noted. But we will not deduct marks for that, okay? And now, next shloka is for Rishika. Clybium. It starts with Clybium, Rishika.
Clybium Masmagamafata Naitadvayupapatyate Kshutram Hudaya Daudvalyam Tyakto Tishtaparantapa.
Very good. Now this shloka Bhavin will chant again. If there are any mistakes, are there any mistakes or not, we will see. Bhavin.
Clybium Masmagamafata Naitadvayupapatyate Kshutram Hudaya Daudvalya Tyakto Tishtaparantapa.
Bhavin, wait. Now you tell me, Rishika, there are two mistakes. Can you find out? It is Uttishtha. Ta should be strong. Partha. Okay?
Ma'am, I told ma'am.
No. I am telling to Rishika. You told it correctly only. Okay? Rishika, did you note the points? Partha. Uttishtha. Okay? Tyaktottishtha. Very good. Now, sixth shloka. Nachaitad. It starts with Vaishnavi will chant. Did you learn sixth shloka Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then start.
Nachaitadvidmaha kataranno gariyaha yadvajayama yadivano vajayahu yavena hatvanasti vishamaha devasthitaha pramukheta kadastaha.
Very good. So, Kovid will repeat. Where is Kovid Ram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, repeat the shloka. Akka missed one point. Start.
Nachaitadvidmaha kataranno gariyaha yadvajayema yadivano jayeyuhu yaneva hatva najijivishamaha evasthitha pramukhetartharashtraha.
Okay, very good. Vaishnavi, did you identify? You said Yavena. Right? It is Yaneva. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yaneva hatva najiji vishamaha teva sthitaf ते स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. That fa sound should come when the visarga and pa, when we are combining both, that fa sound should come. Okay, that is the minor point. Next, fifth shloka, Covid and Sreshta. Guruna hatva hi.
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं प्रयत्नमपि लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिक्तान्.
Very good. Some pronunciation corrections are there. Okay, I will ask Bhavesh. Okay, but perfect. You chanted without any mistake. Just pronunciation minor corrections are there. Okay, Bhavesh, start. Guruna hatva hi.
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिक्तान्.
Okay, now Manvit. Yeah, Manvit, you do it.
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिक्तान्.
No. Okay, but there is one more pronunciation. Say.
Ma'am, he told Rughira instead of Rudhira.
No, he said that correct one. Bhunjiya, bhu should be stressful. Pradigdhan. Okay. Okay. Pradigdhan. D is normal. Pradigdhan. Next second shloka. Guruni haiva. Yeah, you missed one point, Bhavesh. It is Guruni haiva. It is Guruni haiva. Guru is not short. Guruni haiva. Second shloka. Who will say? Chayakar and baby Mamta. Did you learn the second shloka? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will ask Jayasri. Oh, Nihal. Wait. I cannot see him. Nihal,
Yes, ma'am.
please. Second shloka, please.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Putasvakashmalamidam Vishame Samupastitam.
Anarya.
Anarya Jushtamasvargyam Akitikaram Arjuna.
Very good. Manvit, second shloka.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Putasvakashmalamidam Vishame Samupasthitam Anarya Jushtamasvargyam Akirtikaram Arjuna.
Very good. The only mistake was Samupasthitam Nihal. Samupasthi. Okay. Next we will chant seventh shloka.
Shrestha Intel.
Shrestha, do you know the fourth shloka? Fourth one. Katham.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead. Okay, then say first shloka. Shrestha, first shloka. उवाच मधुसूदनः. Very good. Fourth shloka. Katham Bhishma. Rishika. Rishika. Okay. Then Jayashree, can you chant the fourth shloka? Okay. It's time for Bhavin.
Ma'am, seventh one.
Fourth one. Katham.
कथं भीष्ममहं सङ्ख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हवरिसूदन.
Okay, very good. But it is Varisudana, Madhusudana. Okay? That is normal. Now, seventh shloka, Rishika, do you want to try? Karpanya dosho.
Ma'am, I learned 5.
Okay, then it is
Next class also.
Go with Ram. Go with Ram.
Ma'am, Vaishnavi. Yes, ma'am.
Seventh shloka.
Ma'am, you are my sister.
You.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे दिश्यस्तेऽहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Okay. Good. Now, Vaishnavi, you say it again.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. Continue.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेष्ठ्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां प्रपन्नम्.
Shadhi mam tvam prapannam. But she missed one point. It's okay. Vaishnavi, you learn the seventh one. Next week you can chant it again. Okay? COVID also. You listen to the audio and then learn. Okay, 8th shloka by Tejo because he is waiting here from long time. Tejo.
नहि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् नहि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्.
Very good. Did you listen? What did he chant? Is it audible? Okay, Manik said this. Covid, you want to try 9th shloka? Shrestha Covid.
Ma'am.
9th shloka.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start. Sanjay Uvacha.
Sanjay Uvacha eva mukto ऋषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन परन्तप.
Gudakeshah Parantapa.
नयोत्स इति गोविन्दम् उक्तातिष्ठं बभूवः.
Okay. Uktva tushnim babhuvaha. But a good try. Okay, Rishika, you want to try it again? 9th one. Eva muktva hrishikeshaha. Eva muktva hrishikesham. No?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
एवं मुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्तपः नयोश्चैति गोविन्दम्
ओके 10th श्लोक मान्वित
तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये निषीदन्तमिदं वचः.
Okay, very good. So with this, जय श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुर सुधारि बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु जोदायक फलचारि बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुदेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराज कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साज शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बढ़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद शारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कभी को विद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भान लील्यो तारे मधुर फल जान प्रभु मुद्रिका मेरी मुख मारी जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाई दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरण तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्धि जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे
अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई और देवता चित्तन धरई हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करई संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा कीजे नाद हृदय मडेरा
पवन
नाद हृदय मडेरा
पवन तनय संकट हरण
मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय वसह सुरभूप
सियावर रामचंद्र की जय
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय
उमापति महादेव की जय
बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय जय श्री राम की
जय
जय श्री हनुमान की
जय Kids, today we will Masa, we worship Mata Durga. In Nija Asvaja Masa, we celebrate Dasara. So for that, we will learn one sloka of Mata Durga. Okay? Page number.
What is its name?
Okay, just we will chant it once because we are running short of time. 54 page number. Repeat after me. Sarva Mangala Mangalye
सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये
Shive Sarvartha Sadhike
शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके
Sarva Mangala Mangalye
सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये
Shive Sarvartha Sadhike
शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके
Sarvartha Sadhike. Okay. Sharanye Trambake de Gauri Sharanye Trambake Gauri Sharanye Trambake Gauri
शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी
Narayani Namostute.
नारायणी नमोस्तुते.
We'll do it together. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Adhika Masa also. Who has done the calendar today?
Can
No one?
I?
Okay, Vaishnavi, carry on.
Charvari Nama Sahasra Namatiri Ekadashi Nakshi
Paksha. We are in which Paksha?
Paksha Shukla Paksha
Okay.
Tithi Ekadashi Nakshatram Shravanam
Shravanam. Shravana.
Shravanam
Hmm.
Shravana Nakshatram
Month. Adhika Masam of what? Adhika Masam. Adhika Asvayujam. Yeah. Just now Vaishnavi told the calendar. So first we will learn what is Adhika Masa. Adhika means extra. Are we inserting one extra month into our Hindu calendar? We will see. So one lunation according to the moon's movement, we say the paksha also we decide like that only, and tidhis also, right? So the moon's revolution around the earth, it takes 29 and a half days to complete 1 month. Okay, so one lunar month is 29 and a half days. So if you have a calendar, you can check out 29.5 into 12. How many days? 354 days. Okay, but in a solar calendar, solar year, according to the sun's movement, we calculate 1 day and 1 night. From sunrise to next sunrise, we will calculate as 1 day. So that is 365 days. Okay, so most of the festivals we celebrate using the lunar calendar. Few festivals we calculate according to the sun's movement, sun's transition from one Rashi to another Rashi. Okay, so if sun is transiting from one Rashi to another Rashi, it will take 1 month. So if sun is in one Rashi, that is 1 month. Like he travels in 12 Rashis, so 12 months are completed. So 365 days in a solar year we calculate. But to align the solar year and the lunar year, we are inserting one masa, one complete month. So 354 days and 365 days. What is the difference? 365 minus 354. Wow. Yes. So when 1 year, 1 lunar year is completed, like 2 years are completed. So the difference is accumulated, right? This 11 days and next year 11 days and third year also 11 days. So if you are completing year on year, if you don't accumulate these 11 days, no, there will be a huge difference between lunar and solar calendar, right? So that is why for every 2.5 years, 2.7 years, there is one masa. All the extra 11 days, our rishis have calculated as Adhika Masa. So next month is Ashvayuja, that is Nija Ashvayuja Masa. Okay, so that is why this Adhika Masa is named as Adhika Ashvayujam. We are not naming it as separately. And this Adhika Masa is also called as Purushottama Masa. Purushottama is, who is called Purushottama? Narayana, Lord Vishnu. So it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. And many rituals like danas, and we have to worship Lord Vishnu in this Adhika Masa. Okay, to align lunar year, lunar calendar and solar calendar, we have accumulated one month, that is called Adhika Masa. Okay. Okay. So now we are in Adhika Asvayujam Shukla Paksha. Today's Tithi is Ekadasi and Sarvari Nama Samvatsara. What is the day we call in Sanskrit? Sunday. What do you call in Sanskrit? Ravi Vasara. Ravi Vasara. Remember, next week also we will call it as Ravi Vasara because we do class on Sunday only, no? Okay. Now we will enter into Valmiki Ramayana. We are in Ayodhya Kanda now. So last week what happened? Last week? One person. Quick. Recap.
Manthara, no, even
Perfect. Correct. Wait. Correct. So that was the life live telecast Valmiki ji he has done from Kaikeyi's palace. What has happened? Now we will go to Dashratha's palace, Dashratha's court. Dashratha was very very happy. So he told to all his ministers, Sumantra and all, to make all the necessary arrangements for next day, and he talked to all the ministers and he closed the court for the day, and he wanted to convey the news to his queens. This delightful news I have to tell to my queens. So who is his favorite queen? Kaikeyi is his favorite queen. So he thought, I should tell this to Kaikeyi, and hopefully she will also be very very delightful after listening to this news. And he started. As he was very happy, he was feeling everything, he was seeing everything very happily. Like he entered into Kaikeyi's palace, he saw all the swans, birds, different kinds of birds were there, and the maids were running here and there. So he was charged up for a pleasureful evening with his favorite queen. So he entered into Kaikeyi's chambers. There, to his surprise, he did not find Kaikeyi. This is the first time he did not see Kaikeyi soon after he entered into her palace. So he thought, what has happened? And he came to know that she has entered into Krodh Bhavan. Krodh is anger. Bhavan is the palace. So he felt little alarmed, like worried. He went into the Krodh Bhavan. There he saw Kaikeyi. She was actually very very beautiful. So she was looking like a heavenly creature. Kinnera has fallen to earth, and she was lying there on the bare floor with a disheveled hair and breathing heavily. And he saw the pearls, jewels, flowers scattered all around, and he could not tolerate that. Kaikeyi in pain, he could not tolerate. Why Kaikeyi is crying? So he was very very worried, and he went there and he asked, why you are seeming filled with anger? So let me know, how can I help you? How can I make things better for you? You need to just tell what you want. I will do anything for you. See, Kaikeyi, without uttering a word, she won Dasharatha, right? So Dasharatha is telling, I will do anything for you. So she sat down, and then she said, oh my lord. Oh my god. Kids, can you see me? Internet disconnected. Internet disconnected. Kids, can you listen to me? Am I audible? So Dasharatha asked Kaikeyi,
But I cannot see.
now can you see me? Internet option.
Yes, now.
Okay. So he was asking, what shall I do to make you happy? You just tell me. I will do anything for you. So then Kaikeyi said, oh my lord, I have a desire in my heart. Only you can fulfill it. So you promise me that you will do it for me. Then Dasharatha smiled and said, there is no one dearer to me except Ram. So he is admitting that Kaikeyi is dearer to him. There is no one dearer than you except Ram. So only Ram, after Ram you are dear to me. So I am swearing by the name of Ram, that I will do whatever you wish. So he is telling, without Ram, I cannot live for a moment. So that's why I am swearing by the name of Ram. So I will do as you wish. So now Kaikeyi won the second round also. So she started saying, it's the knockout punch. She says, my ask is, once upon a time, when you were in the battlefield, I saved you. At that time, you granted me 2 boons. Do you remember? So, you asked me to seek the boons, but I said I will do it later. So then you said, Tatha iti. So be it. Now, my ask is, Bharato mebhishicyatam. Bharat to be crowned as your successor, not Ram. First point. Second one, Navapanchacha Varshani means 9 plus 5. Navapanchacha Varshani Dandakaranyam Ashritaha Chirajana Jatadhari Ramo Bhavatu Tapasaha. Over. Second one is 9 plus 5, 14 years. Ram should live in the forest, Dandakaranya, in the forest, like a tapasi, by wearing the deer skin and by wearing the jata on head, like a tapasi, ascetic. So that's it. He sank down to the floor. He lay speechless for long time. He could not believe his ears, and he lost his senses. Dasharatha fell unconscious. So after a while he gained consciousness, and then he could not believe what Kaikeyi asked for. He was thinking that maybe it was a bad daydream. So then, how can you talk like this, Kaikeyi? I never expected. Because you always say Ram is your elder son, and he is the most righteous among all the sons, and he served you. He served you more than his mother, and he loved you. He treated you more than his mother, not like a stepmother, right? And even you were also saying that Ram is as dear as Bharat to you. So, but now Kaikeyi was so rigid. Dasharatha is trying his best to remind her how she used to love Ram, but it is of no use. Then he also said that she is completely under the spell of Manthara's poisonous words. So that's why she is not ready to accept the facts. And again, Dasharatha started reasoning. This decision, Ram is the most suitable for the role of the king, Yuvraj. The decision is taken by in the Parishad with all the kings. I have taken the suggestion from all the kings, so they have approved it. And Ram has won the hearts of the people by his exemplary behavior, right? By his virtues, people love him. So how can I go back to them? How can I ask him to go to exile for 14 years? But still, Kaikeyi is very rigid. She is not at all interested in any facts. So she is not answering. And then he started saying, he got angry, and now he started screaming and scolding her like, Drushamse dushta charitre kulasyasya vinashini. You cruel, wicked woman, you are bent on destroying this family. Why are you destroying Ram, the innocent Ram? He did not do any harm to anybody till now. But why you got this terrible idea? And now he is feeling helpless. So he started pleading. Maybe the earth can survive without the sun. The crops may grow without the rain. And my body cannot live without Ram. And I beg you, have mercy on me, have mercy on Ram. And I bow down to you. I am on the have mercy on this old man who is on the verge of death, wailing pitifully. I am crying. See, I bow down. Apito charanau murghna sprushami means I am bowing down and touching your feet. See the words. See the love towards Ram. I touch my head to your feet. See, I'm touching my head to your feet, but still she is not moved. Dasharatha is the conqueror of the earth, right? He had everything with him. So he's telling, I shall give up Kausalya, I shall give up Sumitra, and even I can give up my wealth, whole wealth, and even my life. But I cannot live without Ram. He is crying, but still she is not answering anything. And he also said that he gave another option. If you want to test my love towards Bharat, I can fulfill your first wish. What is that first wish? To make Bharat a successor. So I can fulfill that. But don't send Ram to forest. Then she got irritated. She replied in a harsh way, like Pratyuvachata Raudrataram Vachaha. Kaikeyi she is talking in a harsh way. You say that you are so truthful, so righteous, but now why are you not sticking to your promise? You are saying all the stories. I don't want to listen anything. Nothing can change my mind. Ram should go to exile today itself. So she is finally ordering. And she started giving a long lecture on Satya and Dharma. Like, you think of your earlier kings, how Saubhya is Sibi Chakravarti. He gave away his flesh, himself, to save a bird. You know the story of Sibi? Indra, in disguise, he has taken a form of eagle. And this Agni Deva has taken a form of dove. So that eagle was hunting this dove. The dove came and asked for rescue to Sibi Chakravarti. Then Sibi Chakravarti gave the word that he will save the pigeon. Then the eagle came and asked to release the dove. He said that I gave a word to dove that I will save that. So take flesh from me. So then there came a balance. So on one side the dove was sitting, and on the other side Sibi was cutting the flesh from his thigh and keeping it in the balance, but it was not balancing. So he gave so much of flesh. Then finally he sat there. Then the balance it became equal. So that was the test the Indra and Agni Deva put to Sibi Chakravarti, and he passed. Because to stand on his word, he gave away his life. And she also quoted another example, Alarka. There was a king called Alarka. He used to donate to Brahmins. So whoever comes and asks, he used to give everything. So one day, one blind Brahmin came and asked for eyes. Alarka, without thinking a moment, he took out his eyes and he gave away. So that was the history, that was the lineage of your ancestors. Think of them. You are not sticking to your promise. Why you want to go away from your word? So she quoted these examples, and Dasharatha was crying the whole evening. It became night now. So the king, the conqueror of the earth, was feeling very sad, and he was thinking of Ram, because if he says to Ram to go away to forest, he will definitely go without uttering a word. He is worried about Sita Mata, and he is worried about what to say to Kausalya, what to say to Sumitra and Lakshmana, what they all will feel, and how can I survive without Ram. That is what is pinching Dasharatha. So that evening turned into a long night, and the king finally crumbled down, and he sat down on the floor like a giant tree was cut on its roots. He sat helplessly. So that was the story, children. So when I was reading it, one of the best father's love is depicted in a great way. Valmiki ji was describing, so he says so many words. I have said only few. So Dasharatha's pain was, we cannot explain in words. Yeah, morals.
Ma'am, don't be so much hard.
Yeah, don't be so stubborn. When somebody is pleading you, requesting you, at least you have to think of your decision again and again, right? Sometimes we are stubborn, but when somebody is explaining, we have to listen, use our brains.
Think twice and thrice.
Think twice, thrice before being stubborn. Huh?
Don't be stubborn.
Yeah, and harsh words.
Love each other.
Yes.
What is promise?
Like stand on our word.
Love each other.
Stand on our word.
Yes, stand on your word, love everybody. And don't be selfish. See, selfish idea, it damages you and the society also. If we are selfish, no, it hurts us also and the society also.
If they give you one thing, don't ask for more.
Yeah, like that's I got one idea. When parents give the card, no, Fun City card kind of, to take a ride, we can swipe it as many times as we can and we can go for a ride. Like that, Dasharatha has given that card to her in olden day, in the past. So now she is swiping it to take the ride. Don't sign on the blank check. People say no, like that.
Swipe it if you are in need.
And we can think of, we can ask what we want, but we cannot ask for others' destruction, others' pain. Right? She can ask Bharat to be crowned, but she can't ask to send Ram to the forest, right? Is it? Louder.
Ma'am, why she asked Ram before? Because the people were loving Ram and they will not think of Bharat.
Correct. Bharat will establish among himself in the kingdom. If Ram is there, everybody will look up to Ram, not Bharat. If Ram is away for almost 14 years, people will forget.
Because all the people of Ayodhya loves only Rama.
Yeah.
That's why Bharata, because
That is the selfish motive she had.
only Rama.
Don't think of one person, but take how many people will get down this focus.
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, but if Ram goes only, Ram will kill Ravana.
That is the other side of Kaikeyi and Manthara. I will tell you later. Actually, Kaikeyi, gods have made her talk like that. Even Manthara also. There was a story, but now to this context, to this story, we will discuss the morals. Why Kaikeyi was talking like that? Okay? Kids, think of more morals. Evening in the quiz you can write down. And what is Adhika Masa also called? That is the quiz question I revealed already.
Ma'am, when did you send the quiz?
6:30.
7.
Okay?
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. But there are, think of the morals, kids. Okay? Some mistakes cannot be correct. Om Sarvesham Swastirбhavatu Sarvesham Shantirбhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति